Hey, my friends, this is Loli. Welcome to Loli's Creations. Let's just jump into the first inspiration. We have started with this beautiful wood round that I got last year from Dollar Tree. The hanger was a little bit too short, so I'm going to thread it for a different one that's a little bit longer. Then I'm going to add these beads to it to create a brand new hanger. Then I repositioned it onto the wood round. Then I took this boxwood from Dollar Tree and I'm going to cut two pieces off to position to the very top of the wood round. I trimmed off the edges to make sure that they did not go past the greenery. And then I attached them using some hot glue. Friends, I just want to take a quick moment to say thank you so much for clicking on my video. Thank you for watching, and to my subscribers, thank you so much for your unending support. You truly do mean the world to me. Here I added a little bit more hot glue on top of the greenery just to give it a little bit more security. I took this ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree and I'm going to create a bow. It's going to be a 2-loop bow. As you see, I'm crisscrossing it back and forth, going in two opposite directions until I create 2 loops on each end, and I have 2 tails of opposite sides as well. Then I scrunched it in the middle and tied it in the middle using a piece of jute cord. Then I came in with some of this ribbon from Dollar Tree as well in the Halloween section, and I'm going to create a single loop bow, as you see right there. As I did the previous one, with just doing 1 loop going on each side, and position this to the top of my gold bow and tied it using the same jute cord that I used for the previous bow. Once I was nicely tied at the front, I'm going to flip it over and do a double knot at the back of the bow. I trimmed off the edges of the jute cord, and we are going to go ahead and dovetail. Actually, I didn't dovetail the ends of this. I just cut them in a slant. But here I cut the excess ribbon on one side and I'm rolling it, as you see right there, so I can create a little swatch to cover up the jute cord with. So once I rolled it enough that it will be a solid color, not so meshy, I just glued it right there at the back, making sure that it was nice and neat, and we're going to wrap it around the jute cord section and glue it tightly to create this beautiful bow. And then we're going to glue it right there onto the greenery. But first I'm going to cut my tails. I guess I didn't get to do it that first time around. So I'm going to just cut the bows on a slant on there. I did it with the gold one, and I left those a little bit longer as well. And now I'm going to glue the bow to the center of my greenery. And that's it for this one. Let me know what you think. I love it. My friends, today's video is part of a collaboration. This is for the Love of Christmas, open in by collaboration, and the host this month is Brenda from Rustic and Lakes DIY, co-hosted by Amanda from 6 Kids and a Glue Gun, and Chantel from Crafty Hints. The links to their channels and to their playlist will be linked in the description box below and also pinned in the comments. Don't forget to go on over and show everyone some love. Alright, let's go ahead with the next inspiration. For this one, I'm going to use one of these wood signs that I got from Family Dollar at the end of the season last year. It cost me $1.50, and I painted it white with my Black & Decker paint and primer. Then I took some of this vinyl from Dollar Tree in Buffalo Check, and I'm going to add it to my Christmas tree. I just peeled it in the bottom, raised it down, positioned it onto the bottom of the tree, and I slowly kept rolling the back end off and smoothing the vinyl down to avoid any wrinkling or any bubbles. Then, taking the nail file, I'm going to remove the excess vinyl, revealing the Christmas tree figure or shape. You guys know what I mean, I hope. So this took a little bit of time, but I just being very careful not to scratch the vinyl too much. But I did want to distress a little edge on there, so I just took my time just going like that. Just sanding the edges and then pulling it up, cutting any excess vinyl off to help me along the way. And then I use my little Cricut scraper thingamajigger there to remove the paper in areas in which was hard to remove. There were some places that got a little bit stained with the sanding, so I just touching it up with some more of the Black & Decker paint and primer to have a nice clean surface. My friends, if you enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up. and I hope you will consider subscribing. I am sure we'll love to have you, and if you do, make sure that you hit the notification bell and set it to all so YouTube notifies you each time that I upload a new video. All these things are free and they mean the world to me. Then I took a black furniture marker from Dollar Tree and I'm outlining the entire Christmas tree. And this is what it's looking like so far. Then I took one of these paint markers in gold that I got from Dollar Tree, and they work pretty good. You just gotta pump it really for a long time before using it. But once that ink comes out, look how good that is, guys. The coverage is amazing. It is pretty comparable to Arteza paint pens, if you ask me. So if you find them, get them. And I could have finished it right here, guys. It looked pretty cute the way it was, but I wanted to add some dimension to this. So I took some other black furniture marker from Dollar Tree and I did pretty much all of the letters. I decided the tree needed a little more, so I added a little star at the top there. I outlined it completely with my black furniture marker. And then I came back in with the pen from Dollar Tree and I'm just doing speckles all over the black once I was sure that furniture marker was dry, just to give this a little bit more dimension. And this is it for this one. Don't forget to let me know what you think. This inspiration here is quite different. I hope you enjoy it. I used one of these spindles that I got from the Habitat Restore and I'm going to trim it with my saw right there. And then I'm going to use one of these wood planks from Dollar Tree as well, right here. And I took some wood glue and added to that section that I had cut. And I'm going to add this to the front of that wood plank. Once the paint was tacky enough and this was holding in place, I'm going to just shoot a brad nail right onto the bottom there just to give this a little bit more security. Now that everything is sturdy, I'm going to take it and paint it using my Folk black paint. I did a fuzzy paint coat just to reveal some distressing right there. Now we are going to take this glass vase from Dollar Tree and I painted it with this Rust-Oleum paint. And I'm going to take some E6000. I added E6000 to the wood at the top there, and then I placed my glass over it and let it sit overnight until it was completely dry. Then I took one of these lanterns that I got at Dollar Tree in the plus section for $5 and it fit perfectly over that glass. And then I made this bow and glued it right in the middle of the glass. And I just burned the edges of my ribbon there because it tends to fray and I was trying to avoid that. And that's all she wrote for this one. Let me know what you think. Here is the final reveal. Let me know which one is your favorite. My friends, as always, thank you so much for watching. Be blessed, be a blessing, and craft responsibly. And if you would like to follow me on social media, here are my social media links. And don't forget to visit my friends in the playlist. And if you would like to watch some more of my videos, here's a suggestion, and you're welcome to binge away with this playlist. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. You are amazing. Bye.